Hey health nuts, it's Mr. Healthy, and today we're diving into a challenge that could seriously upgrade your life. Cutting out sugar for 30 days straight. No candy bars, no sugary drinks, no sneaky added sugars in, well, pretty much everything. Sugar can be addictive, and breaking free can feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you that quitting sugar for just 30 days could transform your body in ways you never imagined? More energy, clearer skin, and even a sharper mind. Stick around because what you're about to see might just change your life. Alright guys, let's be real. The first few days are going to be rough. Headaches? Yeah. Mood swings? Definitely possible. Intense cravings? Been there. It's like your body's throwing a tantrum because it's so used to getting its sugar fix. But here's the thing, this phase is temporary. Think of it like a detox. The cravings will subside and you'll start feeling so much better. Just power through these initial days and I promise you won't regret it. Instead of reaching for a donut when you're stressed, try some fruit with nut butter. Or if you're craving a sugary drink, opt for some sparkling water with lemon. Your body will thank you. Fast forward to the end of week 1 and boom! This is where the magic starts happening. Those energy crashes, starting to fade away. Instead you're waking up feeling refreshed. Like you could conquer the world. Your body is finally starting to burn fat for fuel. Instead of relying on sugar. And those intense cravings? They'll start to lessen too. Your taste buds are recalibrating. Realizing that real food actually tastes amazing. When I cut out sugar, my focus improved. And that brain fog? Gone. So many of my patients are surprised by how much sugar is hiding in everyday foods. Start reading those labels and choosing foods with little to no added sugar. You got this. By weeks 2 and 3, get ready to see a real transformation in the mirror. Those breakouts, they'll start to clear up, and your skin will have this amazing healthy glow. Cutting out sugar gives your skin a chance to heal and rejuvenate. And then there's the weight loss. You'll start noticing your clothes fitting looser. Sugar messes with your hormones, specifically insulin, which can lead to fat storage. When you cut out sugar, your insulin levels stabilize, and your body can finally start burning fat efficiently. It's not about deprivation, it's about making smart swaps. Ditch the soda for sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice. Swap out that sugary cereal for a bowl of oatmeal with berries and nuts. These small changes can make a world of difference. We're in the home stretch now, guys. By day 30, you're going to look and feel like a whole new you. Those sugar cravings? Gone. Energy crashes? History. You'll be bouncing out of bed feeling energized and focused all day long. You won't even miss sugar anymore. Once you break free from that sugar addiction, you'll realize how much it was holding you back. The human body is an incredible machine, capable of healing itself and achieving incredible things if we just give it the right fuel. Cutting out sugar is one of the most powerful things you can do to optimize your health and well-being. Embrace it. Enjoy the journey, and get ready to experience the incredible benefits of a sugar-free life. So, are you up for the challenge? Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to go 30 days sugar-free. Share your progress, your struggles, your sugar-free victories. We're in this together. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more life-changing videos like this. Let's do this together. Rocket emoji.